nice. First rates, which will start to come up on your screens. It's what, 26,350 on the Nifty. The Sensex, 320 now. The Sensex is starting, I mean, small red, but nothing at all. It's absolutely flat. Nifty Bank is more decisive, about 1/3% higher, I think. You've got some opening rates coming up on the mid-cap index, about 0.14. And the small-cap index will also come up on your screen before we go any further. Yeah, about 1/4% of the small caps. The broader markets, small caps, mid caps, etc., doing much better, at least as the word go at the start, as compared to the Nifty, which is almost unchanged at this point in time. I was talking about PSU banks, right? I mean, look at what's happening across banking. And, you've got a bunch of PSU banks which are all starting up in the green. Coal India, ONGC, State Bank of India are leading on the Nifty. This is about 25 up, 25 down, so it's kind of even Stevens. On the other side, you've got HCL, Tech, Trent, Infosys, Maxill, etc., which are starting this morning. So it's a grand total of 2-point change on the Nifty, over 26,327. But I think lots of action as far as single stocks go. Nigel.
Well, that's right. Some of these metal stocks continue to do well. So Hindustan Copper's up 3.5%. You have Hindustan Zinc as well that's holding in the green. After, they came out with their quarterly performance, remember? Silver's yet to pick up out there. But for the time being, the street is focusing more on pricing rather than the volume number. So explains why Hindustan Zinc is up. I think Vedanta as well has opened up with some mild green out there. Other stocks in focus, Cupid. That's down close to around 18%. Big downtick is what we are seeing out there. So that stock, in fact, is down 18%. Second day running, under pressure. Another one that should come up for you on the screen, I think, is TFCI. The stock actually started off in the red, but it's done a quick rebound out there. So that stock has bounced back. Remember, in Friday's trading session, TFCI was a stock that was under intense pressure. Other stocks that are doing well, you have Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, that's up close to 4%. Bank of Maharashtra up 2.5%. That one's actually had a good run in the last few trading sessions. IDBI Bank was buzzing the last couple of trading sessions. Today it's building on to those gains. The quarterly performance update, not too bad out there. So explains why that stock up and about in today's trading session. What else? Smaller stocks that are moving up. Lokesh Machines, that's up 6.5%. SJVN as well, moving higher on very, very good volumes. So that's a stock that comes up for you on the screen. Net, headline index, more or less flattish, while from the broader markets, you're actually seeing an outperformance that's coming in out there. Prashant.
Okay, that's basically the start. So at least, in the index, there is not very much to show for it. But as far as, specifics go, there is individual stock action, which we will continue to refer to.